Alright, hello, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you a very quick front loader that I have made because I'm working on making an arcade machine and I didn't really I couldn't really figure out most front loaders. So what I ended up doing is I ended up making my own front loader, which I have right here. As you can see, I'm just going to show you the layout. I have a list box with a label and another label right there with some labels right here and a background, and I have the menu bars turned off on it. So as you can see with the settings in here, yep, there you go. Yeah, just default settings, pretty easy stuff. And here is the code for anybody who is interested in it. It's a very simple application. Basically, what this does is it looks in a certain folder, which in this case is the C drive, and FrontLoader is the folder. The application is this right here, and whenever you load it, it looks inside of the ROMs folder, looks inside of here, and then it will open that up. It will grab the first picture it sees, puts it on the display, and it'll open up the text document, and it'll copy the text document and put it in the description. And then whenever you select that game, it will run whatever the default application is for that application. So let me go back over here. I'm going to open this up so we can see. And as you can see, we have it right here. You can up and down with the arrows, and let's just go ahead and open up Afterburner. So if I just click enter, it actually loaded up on the other screen, but here it is. And to exit out of this, all you have to do is Alt and F4, and that will close out of it. Now that's just the default close out window. So if you want to close out of it again, or close out of the main program, Alt F4. But what happens if you want that to be the only program running on the machine? Well, I've actually created this little VBS script right here, which I will show you. What it does is it checks every 10 seconds, and it will see if the application is running. If the application is running, then it just closes out. If it is not running, then it will open it back up. It'll wait 10 seconds and then it'll do it again. So if you set this to run in your startup folder, then it will always make sure that the front loader is running. And if it ever gets closed out, every 10 seconds, it will start it right back up again. Okay, so that's how it works. Let me show you how to add things to it. Like, for instance, let's say I want to go in here and I want to add in another game. I actually want to add in the pinball game from Windows XP. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to add in pinball. And that's all you have to do. Just add a new folder into your ROMs, open that up, and then you're going to add a new text document. Doesn't matter what the name of it is. This is the default XP pinball game that came with all XP machines. Okay, save that, and that's going to be the text that populates. And now we need an image, so I'm going to go ahead, open up a picture here. Okay, just searching that up, and we have images. All right, there we have it. So right here, I have an image. All I need to do is just drag and drop that down here. JPEG file, that's a good format. Okay, and next we need the XP game. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go over to my save location where I have that at. That is in all right, here are the games from the XP. So we have pinball right here, and let's go ahead and open that up. Better yet, let's drag that in there. I'm going to make a shortcut for this. Hopefully that will work. So send to desktop, create shortcut. And let's put that right in here. So if we open this up, It's actually loading on the opposite screen. Let's wait for it to boot up. Okay, there it is. All right, so let's go ahead and try out the application and see if it works with the pinball. So, open up FrontLoader, and as you can see, we have pinball right here under Pac-Man. And it says this is the default XP pinball game that came with all XP machines. I hit enter. And it just popped up on the other screen. There it is. All right, and that is a very simple front loader. In case you all would like to use this, I'm going to have it available in the description. You can download it if you need to. Of course, there's not going to be any games attached to it. It's just going to be the program and possibly this VBS script if you want that. But just the programs right there. If you all need any assistance with this, or if you'd like to leave a comment, please do so. It helps the channel out, and if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and subscribe to us if you found this helpful. Thank you very much, and have a great rest of your day.